So if your car pretty much suffers from reduced visibility, we're going to review two products here that could be used to significantly increase the visibility within your vehicle. So say for instance your car suffers from a lot of fog or steaming. You could use the Rain X anti-fog to eliminate and prevent fogging and steaming. But do not use the anti-fog on plastics, painted, treated or coated surfaces. But if your car suffers from sleet, snow, ice, bugs and road spray sticking to your glass from time to time, and if you would like to increase visibility when it's raining whilst driving, then the Rain X 2-in-1 glass cleaner and rain repellent would come in handy. To eliminate fogging and steaming in your car, apply the Rain X anti-fog to a piece of dry cloth and wipe lightly across the interior glass surface. So basically, once done, allow it to dry, then reapply for better results. Remove any excess with dry cloth and wipe until clear. And also ensure that the bottle is stored in an upright position to prevent any spillage. It also works great on bathroom mirrors. And as soon as you're done with the application, you can consider your glass has been treated. Rain X is designed to eliminate interior condensation caused by wet weather, high humidity levels or temperature changes, especially on cold, damp days. So basically, it prevents interior fogging before the problem begins. It is suitable for use in high humidity conditions. It reduces the time in waiting for fog to clear, and it ensures that clear visibility is maintained while fogging is likely to occur. In terms of durability, the anti-fog typically lasts for about 2 weeks. It's usually as strong as it was when it was first applied. But there is the argument that the more people you have in your car, the more the coating is more susceptible to being overwhelmed, and therefore more application is needed. And depending on the weather and environmental conditions, this product could last up to about 3 months when applied. Whereas the rain repellent typically makes your vehicle glass streak free. It also repels rain by causing water to bead up and roll away. Just pretty much turn the nozzle away from your face and turn to spray when the nozzle is in the on position, and then subsequently wipe with a dry paper towel, 100% cotton cloth or a microfiber towel. For dirty surfaces, reapply as necessary. This product can cause eye irritation, so wear your safety glasses and keep out of reach of children. So basically, a freshly treated screen with the rain repellent can repel rain from the windscreen when traveling at speeds of over 30 miles per hour. The wiper assistance is always recommended. The glass cleaner is also suitable for use around the home, clear shower doors and external windows. And that's about it really. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, helps the channel grow, and hopefully catch up with you soon. Goodbye.